Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, especially if you have sensitive skin or conditions like psoriasis. We'll be discussing Molly's Suds Natural Fabric Softener Liquid, a game-changer in the world of fabric softeners. In fact, it's often considered the best fabric softener for psoriasis available in the market. So, stick around to learn all about it. Molly's Suds Natural Fabric Softener Liquid is not your average fabric softener. It's specially designed for those with sensitive skin, making it an ideal choice for individuals dealing with psoriasis or other skin sensitivities. Let's dive deeper into what makes this product stand out. First and foremost, this fabric softener is plant-based and infused with essential oils. It's free from harmful quaternary ammonium compounds and artificial additives, which can be harsh on sensitive skin. As you can see, it comes in a 34 ounces bottle with a dosing cap for easy measurement. This single bottle can provide softness and freshness to up to 50 loads of laundry. Now, let's talk about why Molly's Suds is often hailed as the best fabric softener for psoriasis. Unlike traditional fabric softeners, which can deposit residues on clothes, Molly's Suds leaves your clothes feeling fresh, cozy, and comfortable without any irritation. It's hypoallergenic and gentle on sensitive skin, making it an excellent choice for those with skin conditions like psoriasis. What sets Molly's Suds apart is its commitment to using only 7 earth and plant-derived ingredients. It's certified cruelty-free by Leaping Bunny and contains no artificial dyes, fragrances, parabens, or other harmful chemicals. The use of essential oils from real plant leaves, roots, and stems adds a light, fresh scent to your clothes, without the skin irritants found in artificial fragrances. Using Molly's Suds fabric softener is a breeze. Simply shake the bottle, measure the appropriate amount for your load size, and add it to your washing machine. For front-load machines, pour it into the fabric softener dispenser. For top-load machines, pour it into the center agitator. Then, run your wash cycle, and you'll behold your velvety soft clothes. Before we wrap up, here are a few more details to consider. Molly's Suds is a small business brand, so by choosing their products, you're supporting small businesses. They offer a range of other eco-friendly laundry products, from detergents to laundry detergent sheets. The fabric softener is safe for all clothing types and can be used in both high-efficiency and traditional washing machines. Yes, Molly's Suds products are safe for sensitive skin, including psoriasis-prone skin. Their detergents are HE-friendly and suitable for all water temperatures. They are also septic-safe and greywater-safe, meaning they won't harm the environment. These products are safe to use during pregnancy and for your baby's clothing as they are made with simple, natural ingredients. In conclusion, Molly's Suds Natural Fabric Softener Liquid is a game-changer for those with sensitive skin, including those dealing with conditions like psoriasis. It's gentle, eco-friendly, and leaves your clothes soft and fresh. So, if you're looking for the best fabric softener for psoriasis and sensitive skin, Molly's Suds should be at the top of your list. If you've tried this product or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a product review from Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.